Hello, magandang umaga po sa ating ano tawag dito? Air element na Gemini. Lola Baby, nagpapakilala. Isa lang pong like, subscribes, and share. Sandali. Ay. Yaan. Bigyan ko kayo ng reading ha. Para sa mga natitirang araw-linggo ng buwan ng July. So, hagipin natin kung kaninong energy ito. Okay, mahagip ng Lola. Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, ito po is general. Hindi po ito personal. Okay? Kung gusto niyo ng personal, ay yung tinatawag private reading, yan, email nyo lang po ako ha. So, tingnan natin, ano ang iyong tinatawag, may balak ka ba ngayon? Okay? Gawin, meron ka bang gustong gawin? About your emotions, tingnan natin, di ba? About your thoughts, about your action, about materials, okay? May kinalaman ba ito sa health ninyo? Okay? So, tingnan lang natin muna your energy. Yan ha, okay? Sandali. Yan no. So, dito, sabi ng inyong energy is address your addictions. Di ba? Tukuyin mo. Ano yung mga kahinaan mo? Di ba? Meron ka bang, sabihin na natin, malakas ka bang manigarilyo? Di ba? Malakas ka bang uminom? Magaling ka bang magpuyat? Di ba? Mahilig ka ba maglaro ng games sa social media? Or mahilig ka sa tinatawag social media? Palagi kang nasa social media. Ano itong iyong addiction na kailangan mong i-address? Di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, maging totoo ka raw sa iyong sinasabi. Okay? Sinasalita. Okay? Maging ito yung tinatawag na become a clear channel. Set a good example. Okay? It's like tinatawag, radiate. Okay? Emit the purity of your soul. Diba? It's like, emit mo ang iyong kagandahan. Okay? Yan. It's like tinatawag dito na maging magandang example ka sa iyong mga kapatid, kaibigan, di ba? It's like attracting, di ba? Attracting people with the same aura, beautiful aura like you. Okay? At piliin mo ang iyong tinatawag na mga kakaibiganin. Yan ha? So, ibig sabihin nito, pakawalan mo na, okay? It's like kung may mga pagkakamali kang nangyari from the past. Huwag mo na itong, ibig sabihin nito, alagaan, okay? Huwag mo nang panghinayangan, okay? Yan, huwag mo nang ikalungkot, yan ha? At mahalin mo daw ang iyong katawan. Kung may kapintasan ng iyong katawan, mahalin mo. Kung malaki ang tiyan mo, marami kang piklat, pangong ilong mo, flat-breasted ka, di ba? Mahalin mo. Okay? Yan ay nilikha ka ng Diyos na ganyan. Walang nilikha ang Diyos ng hindi maganda. At ibig sabihin nito, positive thoughts lang, ha? Okay, yan. Ano pa? At tinatawag focus. Yan, positive and focus. Focus your attention, okay? At maging tinatawag na maganda, okay? Gandahan mo ang tingin sa paligid mo, sa mundo mo, sa mga tao, 'di ba? Yan. So, gagamit ako tingnan natin saan tayo dadali ng inyong energy, okay? Has it something to do about your mind? Has it something to do about your emotions? Has it something to do about planning or action? Diba? Has it something to do about your resources, money? Ano? Tingnan natin ha? Okay. So, sandali, ayaw ko ng reversed. Okay? Kailangan tayo is positive. Yan, mga Gemini. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, it's about clearing. Okay? Halimbawa, sabihin natin, alisin mo na ang mga nakakabigat sa buhay mo. Alisin mo na ang mga nakakasira, okay, sa iyong health, di ba? It's like sabihin na natin mag-exercise o kaya kumain ng masusustansyang pagkain, di ba? Huwag abusuhin ang sarili, di ba? So yan nakikita ko, it's like tinatawag na gawing, kasi di ba sabi nga, our soul is the temple of God. Yan. Okay? Huwag nating basurahin ang ating katawan. Di ba? Yan. Mahalin ang ating katawan. Okay? Mahalin. Ano ang ibinigay ng Diyos sa atin, mahalin natin. Di ba? Okay. Yan, sandali. So, ano itong tinatawag? The Three of Wands. Di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na set a good example to others. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na palaging positive. Okay? Huwag mag-negative. Iwasang mag-negative. Yan ha? Yan. It's like tinatawag na cleanliness is next to godliness. Di ba? Kaya nga dito sa Three of Wands, ibig sabihin yan, kung palaging negative, di ba, ang iyong pag-iisip, ang iyong emosyon, ibig sabihin nito, what you are attracting is hindi naaayon sa kagustuhan ng Panginoong Diyos. Sa tinatawag na the Four of Wands. Yan, okay? From the Three of Wands to the Four of Wands, ibig sabihin niyan is for some of you, focus. It's like kayo baga ay nagpa-plan, okay? Anong pinaplano mo dito? Travel, yan. Education, it's like tinatawag, you want to go back, okay, to school, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, gusto mong magpakatalino. Ano ito? Gusto mong makipagsapalaran, gusto mong mag-adventure, di ba? You want to discover. What do you want to discover, di ba? Your faith. Has it something to do about your faith, your religion, okay? About other, halimbawa sabihin natin, you want to discover ano ang kung may potential sa isang bansang gusto mong puntahan. Has it something to do about work? Gusto mong mag-asawa, di ba? Halimbawa, foreigners, di ba? So it's more about discovering what it's like tinatawag, ano ang tinitingnan mo, okay? Ano potential meron na ito is tinatawag na you will profit, magpa-profit ka, di ba? So tingnan natin your other tarot, okay? Yeah, the energy. Yan. So maybe for some of you, the energy na higip ko dito is you are planning, okay? You are planning to travel, maybe, di ba? Maybe it has something to do about culture and tradition of other countries, or gusto mong magtrabaho sa ibang bansa or mag-asawa, or sabihin na nating gusto mong mag-migrate, di ba? Or gusto mong mag-tour. Yan na, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag, meron ditong the seven, okay? The Seven of Pentacles. Yan ha. So, maaring for some of you, ang nakikita ko dito, yung tinatawag na ano itong nagpapabagal sa buhay mo. Okay? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, maaring gusto mo na itong iwanan. Diba? Let's say, ang trabaho mo ngayon, you are thinking, you are planning. Diba? It's like tinatawag, no more guilt. Okay? It's like, pag iniwan mo ito, hindi mo ito pagsisisihan. Okay? Yan. So, it's like tinatawag burdens. If you have burdens, bagay man ito, trabaho man ito, tao na ito. Ibig sabihin ito, itong burdens na ito is gusto mong maalis sa system mo. Okay? So, meron ditong tinatawag na the Seven of Wands, di ba? Okay? So, ano ibig sabihin ng the Seven of Wands? It's about you. It's like fencing, okay? You put a fence, a boundaries. Okay? Yan. Naglalagay ka ng boundaries. Yan ha? Okay? So, ang nakikita ko rin dito, di ba? It's like dito sa tinatawag Seven of Wands, okay? Kung ano, it's about your hard work, magkakaroon ng payoff, okay? Magkakaroon ng rewards. It's between you and them, di ba? Yan. So, maaari ito'y kasamaan mo sa networking, di ba? Baka dito'y nag-invest ka ng pera, di ba? Nakipagsapalaran ka. Okay? So, ito yung tinatawag, maaring for some of you, taking high road, di ba? So, it's more about tinatawag patience. For some of you, it has something to do about patience. Okay? And it's like, hinahabaan mo pa ang pasensya mo dito. Halimbawa, about your relationship, di ba? Sa trabaho mo, di ba? Yan. So, nagkakaroon dito ng tinatawag growing. Okay? It's about perseverance. Okay? Growing. Yan. Maaring dito for some of you, halimbawa meron kayong mga inheritance. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na you are taking control of this inheritance. Diba? Of this legacy. Yan, kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, ikaw ang namamahala. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, meron ditong the moon. Okay? Ibig sabihin your second major arcana. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na very, very defensive kayo. Okay? Yan. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, yan. It's like halimbawa social media or to other people, di ba? Yan. Nakikita dito, it's about your planning your future, di ba? Yan. It's about your dreams. It's like nagpaplano, gumagawa ka na ng tinatawag, ino-organize, gumagawa ka ng, let's say sabihin natin sinusulat mo na. Okay? Yan. Okay? So it's about instability. Yan for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na gusto mong maging stable ang buhay mo. Okay? It's about your tinatawag present behavior. Maybe for some of you are very, very defensive. Diba? Okay? Maaari din ito yung tinatawag na things are not what they seem. Okay? Yeah, it's like sabihin na natin, kung ano ang nakikita mo, okay? Yan. Ano ba maganda kong example dito? Yung tinatawag, akala mo hindi pang matagalan, okay? Itong nararanasan mo, okay? Or halimbawa trabaho, hindi pala ito pang matagalan, okay? Merong mga bagay sa buhay ninyo na akala mo is pang matagalan, hindi pala ito pang matagalan, di ba? That's why siguro kasi ang nakikita ko dito is you have to take action, okay? So tingnan ko dito ibang gamit ako ng another tarot, ha? Okay. The King of Pentacles. It's about thinking, okay? Nag-iisip na ba kayo about tinatawag retirements, okay? Yan. Maaari ito yung tinatawag preparation for retirements, okay? Or tinatawag, kasi narito kayo sa tinatawag thinking, planning, okay? Tinatawag na pagbabakasyon. Yan ha. Maybe you are thinking about going for a holiday. Maybe it has something to do about retirement plans, di ba? Enjoying life. Yan na. So, for some of you, narito ang tinatawag na the Three of Pentacles. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, for some of you, kung kayo nagpapatayo ng bahay, maybe it has something to do about renovation. Maybe it has something to do about your work, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, lumalago. It's like kung halimbawa yung trabaho mo ito, lumalago, okay? Nagkakaroon ng expansion, di ba? Maaaring sabihin na natin kung ito'y tindahan mo, it's like malaki ang pagbabago. Merong mga tinatawag na increasing, gaining, di ba? Nadadagdagan. Yan ha, okay. So kung halimbawa nagpapagawa kayo ng bahay, di ba? It's like sabihin na natin dito, it's more about renovation, di ba? Okay. Additional extension ng kwarto, ng salas, di ba? So it's more about growing. Yan, maaring lumalaki ang family kaya ganon, di ba? Yan. So meron dito. Yan ha. Okay. Ibig sabihin niyang gains, wins, increase. Yan ha. So narito ang the sun, di ba? Oh. Ano itong the sun? Ito the happiness, the ultimate happiness, fulfillment. Yan ha. Siguro sa inyong trabaho, sa marriage life, sa friendship, sa halimbawa sa pamemera ninyo, okay? Sa sitwasyon nyo ngayon, di ba? The ultimatum, yan ha, na kaligayahan. Na nararanasan ninyo, okay? Maring it has something to do also about your faith, your tinatawag connection to God, okay? It's more of freedom, halimbawa sabihin natin nagagawa mo ang gusto mo, di ba? Maybe it has something to do about your passion. Maybe it has something to do about your work, di ba? Yan. So meron ditong the 5 of Wands, di ba? So it's more about discovering, okay? Discovering, sabihin na natin na ang nakikita ko dito ay maaring it has something to do, okay? About learning others, yan. A group of people, di ba? Maybe it has something to do about activities, outside activities you want to do together with your friends, family, siblings, di ba? Something like that, okay? So it's an outdoor activities, okay? So, tingnan ko lang din, ha? Sandali. The 3 of emotions, okay? So, nakikita ko dito is you're very, very aligned, okay? Emotionally, physically, mentally. Yan. Kumbaga dito it's about cleansing, okay? Your soul, okay? So, it's more about tinatawag na you are aligning yourself to God, okay? So, kung kaya dito nakikita, you're very, very peaceful. It's like nakikita dito na your soul is very, very balanced. Mentally, physically, and spiritually. Very balanced. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nitong the death na ito. Yan. Ito yung tinatawag na opening your crown chakra. Okay? Yan. Meron ditong tinatawag na tantric attack. Okay? Yan. So, ano ibig sabihin ng tantric attack? Okay? Yan yung tinatawag na merong, kumbaga dito, mga tao, dinedrained, okay? Dinedrained your power. Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, you have to cleanse your energy. Yan ha? Okay. Pray yourself. It's like tinatawag dito, praying yourself, di ba? Kasi very, very draining, okay? Itong tinatawag na, kasi ito'y the death, di ba? Very, very draining. Your energy is draining, okay? Somebody, people, others are draining your power. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na quieting your mind, di ba? Yan. It's like tinatawag, take a rest, di ba? It's like tinatawag na alienate yourself from others because nakikita dito na they are draining your powers. Maybe relatives, friends, di ba? Kung sino itong mga taong kausap ninyo. Kasama na rin dito ang social media. What you read, what you hear, okay? It's like what you are encountering, something like that, di ba? So, naririto yung tinatawag na muse of inspiration, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag claiming back your power. Yan ha. It's more about your blessings. Okay? So, it's more tinatawag na talking to God, aligning your soul to the heavenly bodies. Okay? So, ayan lang po ang aking nakita sa inyong energy. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na ayan ha, it's like dito, okay? You will be very, very drained, okay? You will, mapapagod ka. It's like mauubos ang iyong energy, okay? It has something to do. Other people, social media, family, friends, di ba? Halimbawa sabihin natin mga kasamahan mo sa trabaho, okay? Let's say sabihin na natin you are dealing with people, okay? Halimbawa sabihin na natin it has something to do about your situation, di ba? Halimbawa, sabihin natin the banks, the Supreme Court, di ba? The barangay, di ba? The mayor, the society, neighbors, yan ha. So you will be very, very, big sabihin nito, tinatawag na abala, okay? Mga tao, nakikita ko mga tao, social media, and you will be very, very drained, mapapagod ka. So, ito yung tinatawag na focus ka muna. Yan ha. Ibig sabihin nito, bigyan mo ng time ang sarili mo. Okay? It's like, tinatawag magpahinga ka. As, kung kaya mong gawin ang tinatawag pamamahinga. Okay? Close your door and think about yourself. Diba? Kasi narito ang tendency na madadrain ka. It's like napakaraming tao, di ba? I-drained ang iyong energies.